Welcome to Tech It Simple. I'm here with another quick and essential tutorial video on how to lock your profile for enhancing privacy in Facebook Lite. Even though your friends can still see your profile picture and search your name, this feature ensures that others won't have access to your full photo. Let's get started. Launch the Facebook Lite application on your device. Click on your profile picture to navigate to your profile section. Look for three dots next to Edit Profile. These dots open up a menu with various options. Click on those dots to open the menu. Here, you will find the Lock Your Profile option. Upon selecting Lock Your Profile, you will be presented with conditions detailing what happens after the lock is applied. As mentioned at the beginning of this video, this might limit access to certain aspects of your profile. To proceed with the lock, simply click on the option to lock your profile. A confirmation prompt will appear to affirm your decision. Once confirmed, your profile is now locked, providing an extra layer of privacy. So, this is how you lock your profile in the Facebook Lite application. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications on more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.